Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Moto G64 5G. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.5 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 85.5% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 405 ppi. Pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera with optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel wide-angle centered punch-hole front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive MyUX screen on top the device with OS upgrades to Android 15 and 3 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025 chipset, paired with IMGB XM8 256 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB of virtual RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 on board storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.56 by 73.82 by 8.89 mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. And the color options: ice lilac, pearl blue, mint green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 30-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, IP52 water-repellent design for water protection, and with NFC. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G64 5G has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 16,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G64 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.